Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and increasingly important topic in our digital age, decentralized identity, or DID. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the number of passwords, usernames, and personal data you share online, you're not alone. Let's explore how decentralized identity could change the way we think about identity and privacy in the digital world. But first, here's a question for you. What if you could control your own identity without relying on big corporations or governments? How would that change your online experience? Let's find out. Decentralized identity refers to a new model of identifying individuals online that gives you, the user, more control over your personal information. Unlike traditional identity systems where your information is stored and managed by a central authority, think banks or social media platforms, decentralized identity allows you to manage your identity on a distributed network, often using blockchain technology. This means that you have a single, unified identity that you can use across multiple platforms without needing to create separate accounts everywhere. Sounds liberating, right? In our current digital landscape, we often have to share sensitive personal information just to access services. According to a 2021 study by the Identity Theft Resource Center, over 1,800 data breaches exposed nearly 300 million records, leading to identity theft and privacy concerns. With decentralized identity, you could reduce this risk significantly. Imagine being able to prove your identity without exposing your personal data. For instance, you might need to verify your age to buy alcohol online. With a decentralized identity, you could share just the necessary information, your age, without giving away your full date of birth, home address, or any other sensitive details. So, how exactly does decentralized identity work? It relies on three main components: verifiable credentials, decentralized identifiers, and blockchain. Verifiable credentials. These are digital certificates that verify certain attributes about you. For example, a university might issue a verifiable credential stating that you graduated. You can then present this credential to employers without revealing your entire academic record. Decentralized identifiers, DID, is a new type of identifier that enables verifiable, self-sovereign digital identities. Unlike traditional identifiers like email addresses or phone numbers, DIDs are created and managed by the user. They are not tied to any centralized entity, which means you can take your identity with you wherever you go. Blockchain technology. This is the backbone of most decentralized identity systems. Blockchain provides a secure, tamper-proof way to store and verify these identities, ensuring that no one can alter your credentials without your consent. Now that we understand the basics, let's look at some real-world examples of decentralized identity in action. Sovereign. This is a global, decentralized identity network that enables individuals to create their own digital identities. Users can share their credentials when needed, while keeping control over their personal data. Uport. This is a platform that allows users to create a self-sovereign identity on the Ethereum blockchain. With Uport, you can manage your identity and credentials, all while being able to share only what you want. Microsoft's ION. Microsoft has developed a decentralized identity network called ION, which is built on the Bitcoin blockchain. This aims to give users more control over their digital identities while maintaining a high level of security. While decentralized identity has a lot of potential, it's not without its challenges. One major concern is accessibility. Not everyone has the technical knowledge to navigate decentralized systems, which could create a digital divide. Additionally, there are regulatory hurdles to overcome as governments and organizations adapt to this new model of identity. Moreover, there's the issue of user responsibility. With great power comes great responsibility, and managing your own identity means you need to be proactive about security and privacy. In summary, decentralized identity is paving the way for a more secure and user-centric digital experience. By empowering individuals to control their own identities, we can reduce the risks associated with data breaches and identity theft. As technology continues to evolve, decentralized identity could become the new standard for online interactions. So, what do you think? Does decentralized identity sound like a step in the right direction for privacy and security? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And remember, the future of identity could be in your hands. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.